and has fallen size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted
Funnel up there too.
Kellis, Trago Center, and Riga. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this
Half
storm,
mile.
and may
Up
lead
in
to
front of
flooded
everybody,
water.
thank you.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Ellis, and Trago. For the following counties, Ellis, Kansas. The National Weather Service
That definitely hits the
Yeah.
above it, rotating good.
Ellis County in central Kansas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Hello.
Rocking and rolling, yeah.
I had a Japanese film crew behind me. They were talking on the radio. We pulled over to stop in the storm. There's just lots of wind, high winds, and there was a tornado reported across the road. They radioed.
Oh, here comes the hail. You probably want to get inside when it starts flying. It might hurt. It's starting to come. Oh, they're a good size.
Can I start? Oh,
Yeah.